Guards, the security guys of your frontend. They can decide who and when can enter or leave your pages, need to block access to a protected route unless the user is logged in, or stop someone leaving the form with unsaved changes. That's their job. To generate a guard, type ngg, g for guard, and the guard name. Hit enter, and then you can choose from the 4 types of guards. CanActivate decides if your route can be activated or not. CanActivate child works for child routes, CanDeactivate for leaving pages, and CanMatch for advanced navigation. As you see, you can select all of them, but don't do this, it's actually a trap that the Angular community made for us. Every guard is just a function inside. Return true to allow navigation, return false to prevent it. You have 2 arguments in the function: route for activated route snapshot and state for router state snapshot. If you have to wait for your slow backend, you can make the function async and let the user wait before navigation. If you need to, you can easily inject the router and navigate away to a login screen. To build the login guard, we need an imaginary login service. To get a bool which tells us if the user is signed in. If not signed in, we tell him to sign in and return false, otherwise we return true to allow navigation. For the example, we will have a home page, which is an unprotected route, and a profile page. To protect the profile page from the bad guys, we type CanActivate and add our guard. For the CanDeactivate guard, we create an interface with a saved value that tells us if the form has been saved. We type our guard with the interface and get the saved value from the component. Implement the interface in the profile page and make sure the saved value is set correctly. Thank you for watching. That was Angular Guards in 2 minutes.